In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fully automated attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. This setup is designed to automatically calculate how many days each person is present, absent, or late, and it will also show their attendance percentage. It's a simple system, but it's very effective because once the formulas are in place, Excel updates everything automatically whenever you change the daily attendance entries. In this worksheet, columns C through G represent attendance for days 1 through 5. That means each row will contain one person's attendance record across those 5 days. The goal is to summarize those entries in the next set of columns so you can quickly see totals without counting manually. To begin, let's count the present days. Click cell H2 and enter the formula equals COUNTIF open parenthesis C2 colon G2 comma quotation mark P quotation mark close parenthesis. Then press enter. This formula checks the cells from C2 to G2 and counts how many times the letter P appears. After that, copy the formula down the column for the rest of your rows so each person gets their own total for present days. Next, count the absent days. In cell I2, enter equals COUNTIF open parenthesis C2 colon G2 comma quotation mark A quotation mark close parenthesis. Press enter, then copy the formula down. This works the same way, except now Excel is counting every A in that row. Now let's count late days. In cell J2, enter equals COUNTIF open parenthesis C2 colon G2 comma quotation mark L quotation mark close parenthesis. Press enter and copy that formula down as well. At this point, your sheet will automatically track present, absent, and late entries for each row. After that, calculate the attendance percentage. In cell K2, enter equals H2 / CUNTI open parenthesis C2 colon G2 close parenthesis. Press enter. This formula divides the total number of present days by the number of filled attendance entries in that row. Once the formula is entered, format the cell as a percentage so the result is easier to read. Then copy the formula down the column for the remaining rows. With this setup complete, you now have a simple, automated attendance tracker in Excel. As soon as you update any daily attendance entry in columns C through G, the totals for present, absent, and late, along with the attendance percentage, will recalculate automatically. This makes the sheet easy to maintain, saves time, and helps reduce manual counting errors.